Hi, and welcome to a video on how to search the internet through your OneLaunch software. We built OneLaunch with search top of mind. That's why we created a docked application at the top of your desktop to always be present to give you extremely quick and convenient access to the internet. Oftentimes, your desktop gets extremely cluttered that it might be hard to find your favorite browser. That's never an issue with the OneLaunch application, as we're always top of mind at the top of your personal computer, ready to assist you to get to the internet quickly and efficiently. So what do I mean by that? Follow me to the top of my desktop here, and top left on the OneLaunch dock, you'll immediately see the search box where it says search the web with the search icon. So when you type in queries here, we're going to open up for you by default the OneLaunch custom Chromium browser that we built with you in mind. So just follow me as I type in a query for dogs. So immediately this has been opened with the Bing search engine in, as you see here, your OneLaunch Chromium browser. So right away you get your query results for dogs. You could search again through the OneLaunch application from the dock top left for cats, and that will open up a new tab with your Bing results for cats. You could then proceed, as you would in any other browser, to open up tabs and to query through the omnibox or to query on the Bing search engine results page itself. So within OneLaunch Chromium browser, just browse as you would in most other browsers. To get into what type of customization is available to you with search throughout the OneLaunch app, follow me top right to the hamburger menu for your OneLaunch settings. As you open up your settings, you'll see immediately that you've got quite a few options in terms of search. One of them is you can easily change your search engine. As you've seen, so far I was using Bing, but I can make a quick switch to Google. I'll retype my dog's query, and you'll see immediately now, still in my OneLaunch Chromium browser, we just got Google search results for dogs. To see what other things we can change, I'm going to head back to the settings. You're also able to change where links are opened in from your OneLaunch dock in terms of what browser we're connected with. So by default, we always recommend you use our OneLaunch Chromium browser, but feel free to change to your preference if you'd like. So to highlight the change, I'll show you changing to Microsoft Edge. And again, I'll go back, I'll make another dogs query. So you'll see here, instead of opening up in OneLaunch Chromium, as I click the hamburger settings menu here for Edge, this is now Microsoft Edge. So feel free to change the browser that your OneLaunch dock is integrated with. And then lastly in the settings, I guess two more things. Feel free to change your, clear your search history whenever you want from the OneLaunch settings as well. And then also feel free to change whether OneLaunch is your default browser or not. So by default, we do not set your default browser. It's only if you actually make it happen. So currently I had it set, but just click here in your default app section of Windows, and you're able to quickly change it back to, say, Chrome. And then you'll go back to your settings, and you'll see that that is off. If I want to turn it back on, we'll open back up the default app section for browsers in Windows and just simply find OneLaunch in the options menu, click it, close, and then again head back to your settings, and you'll see that we've updated to say it is now set as default browser. But as mentioned, we do not set default browser by default. That is something you'll have to go in and do if you'd like. So thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoy the extremely quick and convenient search from the top of your desktop from the OneLaunch dock. Have an awesome day.